Are you using Telegram? If not, you will must use from today, because Telegram can be a great tool for your study, because everybody is studying nowadays online, right? Schools are off, so yeah. And we are receiving PDFs, photos and videos, everything from our teachers, okay, our friends. So Telegram can be a great help or great tool for better utilizing these resources. How I will tell you. So what happens, Telegram say, the problem is that when you opens the Telegram, and it gets automatically download many files, and it stays your internal storage forever, right? And it creates your storage problem. If you use WhatsApp, same, you need to delete them automatically, manually. But here in Telegram, that files can get automatically deleted. And if you need those PDFs or files later, you can easily download from the cloud storage of Telegram. So it is very helpful. I will show you how. So you need to come here, data and storage option, from that three bar, okay, 3 lines. Then you will see your profile, and then you will get settings. Okay, from settings you need to come data and storage. Here you will click this storage usage. I have just found it today, this option. Okay, my settings was like this forever. It means that my files will, once downloaded, it will stay in my internal storage forever. But if I select this 3 days or 1 week or 1 month, that means once suppose I downloaded a file today, and it will remain for next 3 days. After 3 days it will be automatically deleted. Okay, so I need not to delete manually, and I need not to worry about my internal storage, right? But you may ask, what if I need that file later? So I just mentioned that is also have a solution. So here it says that all media will stay in the Telegram cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need it again. So cloud will save those documents or keep those documents, and you can download anywhere and anytime you want. So it obviously helps your internal storage, right? Yeah. So automatic media download, this option. So automatic media download, this option, you need to turn off these two options, right? If you are using Wi-Fi, your own Wi-Fi, then obviously it will be turned off. Or if you are using some free Wi-Fi, then it's okay to turn on, right? But if you turned off this setting, it will do what? This, when this is turned on, if you want media to be automatically downloaded, once it's turned on, if you open the Telegram and open a channel, all the documents, I mean whatever will be shown in your screen, only those documents will be automatically downloaded, without, irrespective of you want to download or not. Okay, so it will obviously your consume your data unintentionally. If you don't want, nothing have to do, because if this option is turned on for you, right? If you turn off, this will stop auto download. Suppose you are saying that obviously some text will be there in a channel, study group channel, right? So you can read that text, and after that if you choose to download, if you can download, right? So it will save your data as well. So that's it for now, friends. See you next video. Okay, so that's it. I have discussed two main facilities that providing Telegram, and number one is storage usage to save your internal storage, and number two is data usage. Though data usage is also applicable on WhatsApp, okay, there is also have settings to turn off this data usage automatic download. Data usage means automatic download. If you turned off this automatic download, so you can save your data, okay, mobile data, internet data, whatever it is. That's it, friends. So keep remember. Okay, so how to get the storage users? You just open Telegram, and then click on the left hand corner, right? Left hand corner of the top. Okay, left hand corner of the top, and here we get 3 lines. Click on that, then go to your profile will be opened, your username, mobile number, etc. And here you will get the option settings. Okay, settings option. So click on that, and from settings options you will get this data and storage option. From here you will get storage usage, data usage. Okay, so it will show you the usage, but first option is storage usage. So here you need to select 3 days. So after 3 days all the downloaded files will be deleted, but it will be restored, or you can re-download from the Telegram cloud. And second, this automatic download, turn off this automatic download if you want to save your data. Thank you, friend.